How to delete Twitter account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this video, I will show you guys how you can delete your Twitter account. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. Firstly, open your X application and once you appear on this page, click on your profile at the top left corner. After that, click on Settings and Support and again tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you appeared on the settings of your account, click on the first option that says Your Account. Now you will be directed to this page where you can see 4 different options. Here, as you can see, there isn't any delete option directly in Twitter, but what you can do is just deactivate your account, and once you deactivate account, you can restore it until 30 days, and if you didn't log in into your account until 30 days, it will be permanently deleted from the Twitter. So in order to deactivate your account, click on Deactivate Account option at the last. Now you will be directed to this page where you have to click on Deactivate option. After that, enter your password of your account and finally click on Deactivate option. So with that, your Twitter account will be deactivated, and if you don't log in into your account until 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. So that's it. This wraps up for the tutorial on how to delete Twitter account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.